Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can check pending invitations to your board in your workspace on monday.com. For example, if you'd like to accept or decline these guys. So let us show you how you can do that. So navigate to monday.com, log into your account and click into your profile icon in the top right. Navigate to administration to the left. And here what you want to do, guys, is expand the directory section, and here click into invitations, and here you will see all pending invitations awaiting your approval or decline, and also sent invitations. As you can see, there are no one for me, so you can invite users, for instance, to join your workspace and your board, of course, using that button in the top right corner, and send an email invitation, for example, with a welcome message here. So guys, that's it. That's how you check your invitations, pending invitations on monday.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.